worms. I could not get worms for the life of me in the shop for feeding poor red Pinky. And when I say poor red Pinky, Pinky is not actually that poor at all. She's doing really well because she's been eating prawns the last while. So this tub is basically a tub with just regular old normal everyday compost from the bag of compost that I have for my garden plants and my house plants. And there's a base of compost in there, and then these are the worms that I've just bought from the pet shop. They're like €4 or €5 for that many worms to feed to the axolotls. But you can buy 3 tubs for €12 or 3 for $12.50. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it is a lot. And there's a fucking maggot in there. Hello, maggot mealworm. Okay, so here's box number 2 gone in. I do not know what that is. So this is me starting a new wormery. He is alive. These are not to be released into the wild. It says on the sticker, not to be released into the wild. They also come from the UK. And there is a problem with them. They cannot get them. They haven't been able to get them in ages. So for anyone else who uses earthworms to feed their axolotls, maybe you have birds, maybe you have, I don't know, what other animals, frogs, amphibians of other kinds besides axolotls who eat worms. This is how you build your own wormery. So this is basically, they're not very healthy looking worms. They're quite blue looking actually. So the compost is to give them some soil, some new fresh soil to be in. Now their old soil is there as well. This would be called worm castings. Really, really valuable to anyone who does gardening because it's really enriched with loads of nutrients. So now we have our worms for Pinky.